Right, what's going on everyone? Another update here on how my trading's going this week. Bit of a slightly annoying day today, really. We entered one position in the morning on pound Swiss and we were wicked out on a news release, and then it's just gone in the direction, and then entered another trade a few hours later on pound dollar, and we have been taken out at break even, and then it went on to hit my target for 3R in within an hour of taking me out for break even. Now the second position where I've been taken out for break even and then pricing my going in my direction is completely a error on my behalf. The first trade, my stop wasn't at the extremes, at the extreme lows, so price went lower than I anticipated and took me out, and then ran in my direction. And pound dollar was an error on my behalf. I should have had my stop. I should have just removed pretty much 90% of my risk at below the last low, and yeah, just not really interfered with the trade really. So I'll go onto the charts now and show you those two positions, and yeah, if you've got any comments, just let me know. I seem to be really struggling with trade management at the moment, just interfering with positions, and then it seems to be the wrong decision, but we'll learn and we will get there. But this is these are going to be the two positions that I took today. So yeah, hop on to the charts now. So this is pound Swiss currently that you see on the screen. I am currently actually in this position on another account, not on the account I've been showing on here. I have a different account with TOPONE, and with TOPONE, they don't allow you to enter trades 10 minutes before or close trades 10 minutes after, in that window news. So I didn't actually set my limit on TOPONE. I set it on an account that I have with MT5 with a different prop, and yeah, that one took an L on, and I actually waited for 10 minutes to be up, and then I entered this trade on pound Swiss after the news release, which has worked out better. I haven't taken any profit yet. My target is quite high. I'll go through that in a minute. And yeah, if I show you the first position, I have a screenshot of it. Here it is. That's not it. This is my screenshot. Pound Swiss. So as you can see, I had my limit set here. Stop. If I covered the lows, I would have been in this trade still, but I have my liquidity pool here, my point of interest, where I set my limit at. It was using sort of this breaker and fair value gap combined into one point of interest. And yeah, wicked out on the news release, and price is where it is now, up here. So that's that one. My current target on this entry is for about 10.6 at this high up here. Let me bring my drawing tool up. So this high up here, that's my target. As you can see, I went over it in my previous videos, but if you haven't seen that, which not many people have, we've got a gap here, gap here, gap here, I expect that to be filled to take out this high. And there's a lot of confluences which align to say price could potentially go up that high. I'm going to use a trailing stop, so maybe get taken out before it reaches that high, but we have just flushed this liquidity pretty nicely without any movement to the downside. So this is literally like a liquidity run, and the opposing side to it would be all the way up here. We do have this big imbalance here that I do expect price to fill, maybe halfway, or maybe just completely run through it. We'll see. We'll use a trailing stop and we will see where that trade goes. That was the first trade. Second trade was on pound dollar. So I've been expecting longs on pound dollar this week. This is actually a missed trade yesterday. Here we had this breaker structure here on the 15. We had equal lows formed back into the optimal trade entry being the discounted fib levels, and that would have been my entry using a point of interest to the left. This morning I did actually take a trade at 9:15, so there's that, and my target was 3R, which is this 4-hour order block up here. And I'll go down to the 5-minute. We can see tagged in here literally to the pip. Price ran up a tiny bit, came back down. I had my stop just above my entries for commissions, like to cover commissions. Literally tagged me out to the pip, and CPI came out and flew up. So yeah, brilliant. But that's my mistake. This red line here should be where I had my stop, and that would have kept me in the position. So yeah, they're the two positions for today. Unfortunately, not a great day for me trade management wise and sticking to the plan. Plan shouldn't be to move stops to break even that soon. That goes against my plan. Maybe the loss in the morning affected my decision making there. Oh, I don't want to take even a tiny loss on the second trade, which is stupid, I know. So yeah, there's that. We'll see how pound Swiss gets on. I have moved my stop slightly into profit, I think maybe like 0.5. So yeah, see how that goes. And yeah, I will be sure to check up with you maybe later on in the week or in the weekly review at the end of the week if I don't take any more positions. We'll go through everything and a bit more in depth. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you can, and please like the video if you liked it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.